Why go on vacation
when you could live like this every single day? Our clients were very intentional when they built this home, cherry-picking the best lot in the entire community. The only one with these west-facing panoramic views, backing up to green space, hiking trails, and two-story floor-to-ceiling views of the Rocky Mountains.
And they didn't stop there. No expense was spared on the finishes of this home. From the designer lighting and the wood beam ceiling to the striking two-story porcelain gas fireplace, every detail exemplifies luxury and sophistication. First things first is the heart of the home, the kitchen. Let's talk about this island. It literally is 4 feet by 10 feet long. Can you imagine your parties and your gatherings right here on this island where everybody brings a side dish and they're laying it all out? You have plenty of space for that. I especially love the finishes in this kitchen. Not only do you have sleek countertops, but you also have stainless steel appliances. Every single one is KitchenAid. Even though this built-in fridge has a ton of space, if you run out, you've got a second fridge just steps away in the laundry room. And just imagine the dinner parties you could have in this dining room. That's 20 feet of entertainment space.
Every inch of this 4-bed, 4-bath home is elevated. Why would you ever want to leave this place?
And something that I love about this home is that all bedrooms are on the same floor. But there's something cool I want to show you. Come follow me. We're almost there. Are you ready? And talk about potential. This basement is ready for your finishing touches. It even has walkout access to the greenbelt behind this home. And if you're a true Coloradan, you know your garages are not really for your cars, they're for your toys. But in this house, you not only get one garage, you get 2, and now you have space for everything.
Inside, it's luxury. Outside, it's pickleball, walking trails, and green space right outside your back door. The Montaigne community has it all. Fitness center, resort-style pool, social lounge, even more reasons to never have to leave.
So if you're ready to make your everyday a vacation,
reach out for a private showing and let's make luxury your new normal.